soy sauce pasta. How to make the sauce. Put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, half a tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and half tablespoon of vinegar. This is optional. In boiling water, add about half tablespoon of salt. Adding salt to the water seasons the pasta, making it tastier later. Put the angel hair pasta in the boiling water. For 1 serving, use about 3.5 ounces. Drum with pasta raises blood sugar less than regular flour noodles. If you are worried about blood sugar, try choosing pasta instead of regular flour noodles. Angel hair pasta is thin, so boil it for just 4 minutes. Slice a little cucumber thinly. Wash it to small pieces of kimchi and squeeze out the water. Then slice it thinly. These will be added to the pasta later. After 4 minutes, drain the pasta and rinse it well in cold water. Place the drained pasta in a bowl. Add the sliced kimchi and cucumber. If you have a seaweed flakes, add a little. If not, you can skip it. Pour the sauce over the pasta. Add a boiled egg if you want. Very simple and tasty soy sauce pasta is done. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.